Hi, I'm Srinivas Yadav Mamilla from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering in the year of 2021 at Nalamala Reddy Engineering College, Hyderabad. After that, I have joined in 24/7 in touch as a tech support for several months and shifted to BKYC verification in my business solutions. But I have not satisfied with my bad job profile, so I have looking for an IT job. I have no IT knowledge. One day my brother suggested me to join an Vision Technosol, which is an IT recruitment and consultancy company. I have joined on April 24th Vision Technosol as a online full job internship under the guidance of IT managers and administrations. I have learned various modules like networking, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, ITIL, cyber security, and Linux administration. Whereas in networking, I have learned types of networks, etc. Virtualization, I have performed installing a number of systems in one physical machine. I also perform Windows administration practicals like configuring Windows or iOS and Outlook configuration. Not also configuration and also perform troubleshooting practicals in Windows Server and Outlook respectively. And again, coming to the CCNA, I have learned about routing configuration in practically and learned about subnetting, routing protocol and routed protocol, etc. And also learned about ITIL, ITSM, group policy, etc. I want to thank the eVision Technoserve teaching staff and in supporting and helping me to get job at Alchemy Tech Solutions Private Limited with a 2.2 LPA from Hyderabad. Thank you so much.